All right, so the entire bumper looked like this at the start, and we were like, man, that looks like crap, really badly oxidized on this golf cart. And we're doing a remodel on the golf cart, so we're trying to figure out like what to do. We have it looking like this, and we want it to look like this. So what do? We get the torch. Let's see how you do it, boo. This is a little trick that we learned from some other random dude on YouTube. It's called how to start a torch. Push the button.
I did.
Try not to burn the place down. Look at that. Takes oxidation completely off. Don't go buy that stuff from the hardware store. You don't need it. Look at that, like brand new. So look at this. Is that amazing or what? Now it's gonna lighten up a little bit when you're done, but for the most part, your oxidation problems are gone. This will work on your car. This will work on anything that has plastic like this that's oxidized, any bumper. So we went from white oxidized to what looks like a brand new bumper. Was that worth the price of admission? I think so. You're welcome.